In this session, we will be basically demonstrating the access rights and user relations and forms, reports and links. So basically we have the users. So here we have users. So I'm just keeping my design mode on and going to the users. So every user can have one or more roles, and these roles are basically created from the ERP roles. Okay, so these are all, so many roles are there, and maybe you can give some explanation on them, what it is for and all that. The role name is account tree. That means there is a form which is an account tree and you want to do that. Here it is an account manager. So it is a role. Basically, a role can have multiple users. That means the same role can be held by 2, 3 users. And similarly, a user can hold more than one role. That is, the same user can prepare bank receipts, bank payments, and cash receipts. Maybe some other user can only create cash receipts. Maybe some other user can create bank receipt, bank payment, cash receipt, cash payment. So all the four can be done. So basically we create those roles. I'm just searching it. So here you will see bank payment entry is a role, bank payment posting is a role. So these roles play a role in assigning the forms, the reports and the action links to different people. So having decided the role, now we have what is called users. So in the users, every user can have one or more roles, and when you keep your mouse, you will see he has been given this role. Suppose this is Sai Ram. So Sai Ram is given so many roles. Maybe he is an admin, so he is given so many roles. So this indicates how the roles which we have created there have come as a multi-select into this. And this can also be achieved by role tree. There is a role tree here. You can go there straight away and you can select the module. Say for example, I am selecting CRM and I wanted to the account manager. I want to see the pages which are given to account manager. Maybe I can say there is a CRM role or something like that. Let me see. So for the CRM, in the CRM module, for the CRM role, these are given. You will see contacts are not given. Suppose I want to give contact, just click on them. The contacts are given now. So basically this is the form and this is the link under that. So in this CRM, under CRM role, maybe sometimes it may be confusing. So let me go to finance and say bank payment approval. I want to know who has been given those pages, or maybe bank payment entry. Okay. So here you will see the person who has got in finance module bank payment entry role is given. He can create bank payment. Under that he has deductions, hold, activate, all that, but he cannot set off the bills. So that is the meaning of this. So who are the people under these users? So here the list of the users come who have the role called bank payment entry. So you will see so many people. Now I wanted to give bank payment to him. Just click here and the role is added to him, and you will see somewhere they would have come here. For example, let us say Agastya admissions. Okay, Aditya paints. Sorry, I'm taking the users. So in the user, there is AK Bhargava. I have just given the role to him. So I'm going to, so you will see AK Bhargava has come here, and if I want to remove him, I simply remove him from there. So with this model, you will be able to set the roles. Now going to the forms. So I'm just taking a sample form. In this form, you have the you go to design mode and go here, and here it says which are the role which will open this form. That means one form can have only one role, but one role can have multiple forms. So this is how you give the, now you will see so many actions have come here. So if I click this, so many actions are there. So you have given the role to a form. Now you are trying to give a role to a user. So template correspondence. So this role is given to only admin. Now this is, say, activities is given to a role called activities. These names are all your choice how you would like to create. Instead of activities, you can say CRM activities or invoice activities and things like that. Okay. So we have seen how you give the role to the basic form. From here, you will see the role, and to the links, you give the roles. From here, the roles are pop up and you give it. And if you have to create to the reports, you have the reports. I have in some CRM, some grouping reports or something. If you click here, you will get the report. If you click here, the report gets opened here. And here also you will see the roles are defined. Similarly, even for landing pages, suppose if I go to my reports, okay, there is what is called data alerts, notification reports, landing widgets. Okay, so in the landing widgets, you have these type of these are the widgets which come when you click the this. So with this you are able to set for the landing widgets also how to set these. For each of them there is a role given. Maybe I can bring the role here for reference. So yeah, role is already there, and these are the widgets which appear when you go to the home page. All these are the colored boxes or widgets. Okay, thank you.